Well, hello, there you are again. This is day 3 of National Organizing Week, your second day of activity. Now, let's assume you have chosen an area that you want to tackle. You haven't done anything else yet, but you may already have looked at what's in there. And that is actually step 2. Step 2 involves getting to grips with what is there. So we're not actually doing anything physical yet. What I want you to do is to figure out if in that area, let's say a drawer or a cupboard, there are things that belong together. If we're looking at a drawer in a kitchen, for example, you could say, okay, all the cutlery for the table belong together. There may be spoons for pots, there may be wooden spoons, there may be whisks. Those are a different kind of animal. The same applies to your junk drawer. There may be metal things, there may be bits of string, there may be stuff that really doesn't belong there that could go into your office. You see what I mean? You don't do anything yet. You just look at it and you figure out if there's anything that certain things in that area have in common. And that's where I leave you today. Give that 5 to 10 minutes. Just look at the stuff and get a sense of what's there. And by all means, come back tomorrow for the next step. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel, or select the playlist in the middle to see more content, or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.